Come on, Bobby, get another song, look.
Here we go.
Shepherds wash their souls by
Welcome to Rock Bottom. Sorry to have to inform you that you've hit it head first. You've just watched the unboxing of 40-year-old must-eat stale air. Unfortunately, your finite time on planet Earth is non-refundable, and now your precious life is a minute and a half shorter.
Merry Christmas, love.
You showered.
Now then, your mum went through a lot of time and trouble to wrap up all them boxes. And I went through an awful lot of trouble to find them little boxes. And poor old Karen. It took her ages to think up the idea. Big present tomorrow. Okay.